जगत्राता विश्वविधाता हे जगत्राता विश्वविधाता हे सुख शांति निकेतन है प्रेम के सिंधो दीन के बंधो दुख दरिद्र विनाशन है नित्य अखंड अनंत अनादि नित्य अखंड अनंत अनादि पूर्ण ब्रह्म सनातन है जग आश्रय जगपति जगवंदन अनुपम अलख निरंजन है प्राण सखा त्रिभुवन प्रतिपालक जीवन के अवलंबन है जीवन के अवलंबन है हे जगत्राता विश्वविधाता हे सुख शांति निकेतन है हे सुख शांति निकेतन है It is said that Lord Dattatreya is an avatar of Lord Vishnu. How Lord Shiva and Brahma came to be associated with the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. There is some story about that these all three devatas came to test the Anusuya, the wife of Atri, and she made all of them as children. And the combined form became this Dattatreya. There is some Pauranika story, but generally he is considered to be the avatar of Vishnu, but also associated with Shiva. For us, there is not a big difference, but there is some Pauranika story where all Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, they came and they wanted to test the Anasuya, and in that context, all three of them became a small children, and that became Dattatreya. So that's how this story is there, but there may be some other story which I am not aware of. If I come to know, I will tell in some context. Okay, we saw that the word Avadhuta means one who has gone beyond Varnashrama. We saw that Dvija is twice born, a person following Vedic Dharma. How to reconcile these two seemingly opposite words used to describe the same person? So he had some linga of Dvija. It is not that he did not have some linga of Dvija, and he was known to be the one who was born in this Vedika family. That is why he is called Dvija. He does not follow all the qualities of the Dvija, but some sign might be there. And therefore, He is called Dvija also and also Avadhuta. So he may follow, may not follow. Like he can wear the dress, he need not wear the dress. So he doesn't follow any, he doesn't come within the bounds of any rules and regulations because he has outgrown. It is not that he is a licentious or something. He has outgrown the need to follow anything. So that is the idea. All right. So that's only two questions. So I think we can have some bhajans. Shanti, you can have? Ah, so we have Guru bhajans. Today we can have more Guru bhajans.
नमन करूं मैं गुरु चरणा,
नमन करूं मैं गुरु चरणा,
भव भय हरणा वंदित चरणा,
भव भय हरणा वंदित चरणा।
नमन करूं मैं गुरु चरणा,
नमन करूं मैं गुरु चरणा,
भव भय हरणा वंदित चरणा,
भव भय हरणा वंदित चरणा।
चरण प्रणत जन शुभ करणा,
चरण प्रणत जन शुभ करणा,
कलिमल हरण सब सुख कारण,
कलिमल हरण सब सुख कारण,
अभय विदारणा जगदो धारणा,
अभय विदारणा जगदोद्धारणा,
पातक हरणा पातक हरणा,
पातक हरणा पातक
हरणा भव
भय हरणा।
नमन करूं मैं गुरु चरणा,
नमन करूं मैं गुरु चरणा,
भव भय हरणा वंदित चरणा,
भव भय हरणा वंदित चरणा,
चरण प्रणत जन शुभ करणा,
चरण प्रणत जन शुभ करणा,
कलिमल हरण सब सुख कारण,
कलिमल हरण सब सुख कारण,
अभय विदारणा जगदो धारणा,
अभय विदारणा जगदोद्धारणा,
पातक हरणा भव भय हरणा,
पातकहरणा भवभयहरणा।
नमन करूं मैं गुरु चरणा,
नमन करूं मैं गुरु चरणा।
भव भय हरणा वंदित चरणा,
भव भयहरणा वंदित चरणा। Yes.
गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो,
गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो।
हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो,
हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो।
गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो,
गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो।
ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश्वर रूपा,
ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश्वर रूपा,
त्रिमूर्ति रूपा नमो नमो,
त्रिमूर्ति रूपा नमो नमो।
त्रिगुणातीता नमो नमो,
त्रिगुणातीता नमो नमो।
आनंद रूपा नमो नमो,
आनंद रूपा नमो नमो।
हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो,
हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो।
गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो,
गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो।
भावातीता भाग्यविदाता,
भावातीता भाग्यविधाता,
भवभयहरणा नमो नमो,
भवभयहरणा नमो नमो।
त्रिलोकनाथ नमो नमो,
त्रिलोकनाथ नमो नमो।
चिन्मय रूपा नमो नमो,
चिन्मय रूपा नमो नमो।
हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो,
हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो।
गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो,
गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो।
गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो,
गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो।
हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो,
हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो।
गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो,
गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो।
ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश्वर रूपा,
ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश्वर रूपा,
त्रिमूर्ति रूपा नमो नमो,
त्रिमूर्ति रूपा नमो नमो।
त्रिगुणातीता नमो नमो,
त्रिगुणातीता नमो नमो।
आनंद रूपा नमो नमो,
आनंद रूपा नमो नमो।
हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो,
हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो।
गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो,
गुरुदेवाय नमो नमो।
भावातीता भाग्यविदाता,
भावातीता भाग्यविधाता,
भवभयहरणा नमो नमो
भवभयहरणा नमो नमो
त्रिलोकनाथ नमो नमो
त्रिलोकनाथ नमो नमो
चिन्मय रूप नमो नमो
चिन्मय रूपा नमो नमो
हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो
हे परमेश्वर नमो नमो
गुरुदेवाय 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 नमो नमो Yes, one more.
गुरु के चरण में शीश झुका ले
गुरु के चरण में शीश झुका ले
जीवन अपना सफल बना ले
जीवन अपना सफल बना ले
गुरु के चरण में शीश झुका ले
गुरु के चरण में शीश झुका ले
गुरु बिना ज्ञान कहाँ से पाऊं
गुरु बिना ज्ञान कहाँ से पाऊं
राह में भूल भटक ना जाऊं
राह में भूल भटक ना जाऊं
गुरु सेवा कर गुरु गुण गाले
गुरु सेवा कर गुरु गुण गाले
गुरु के चरण में शीश झुका ले
गुरु के चरण में शीश झुका ले
जीवन का कुछ लाभ उठा ले
जीवन का कुछ लाभ उठा ले
नाम नौका में बैठ के प्राणी
नाम नौका में बैठ के प्राणी
भवसागर से पार उतर ले
भवसागर से पार उतर ले
गुरु के चरण में शीश झुका ले
गुरु के चरण में शीश झुका ले
जीवन अपना सफल बना ले
जीवन अपना सफल बना ले
गुरु के चरण में शीश झुका ले
गुरु के चरण में शीश झुका ले
शीश झुका
शीश झुका ले We can have Mangalam.
शङ्कराय 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 मङ्गलम्
शङ्कराय 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 मङ्गलम्
शङ्करी मनोहराय शाश्वताय मङ्गलम्
शङ्करी मनोहराय शाश्वताय मङ्गलम्
सुन्दराय मङ्गलं सनातनाय मङ्गलम्
सुन्दराय मङ्गलं सनातनाय मङ्गलम्
चिन्मयाय सन्मयाय तन्मयाय मङ्गलम्
चिन्मयाय सन्मयाय तन्मयाय मङ्गलम्
अनन्ताय मङ्गलं चिरन्तनाय मङ्गलम्
अनन्ताय मङ्गलं चिरन्तनाय मङ्गलम्
निरन्तराय मङ्गलं पुरन्दराय मङ्गलं
निरन्तराय मङ्गलं पुरन्दराय मङ्गलम्
अचञ्चलाय मङ्गलम् अचिन्तनाय मङ्गलम्
अचञ्चलाय मङ्गलं चिन्तनाय मङ्गलम्
जगच्छिवाय मङ्गलं नमः शिवाय मङ्गलम्
जगच्छिवाय मङ्गलं नमः शिवाय मङ्गलम्
मङ्गलं मङ्गलम् आनन्दमङ्गलम्
मङ्गलं मङ्गलम् आनन्दमङ्गलम्
मङ्गलं मङ्गलं दयानन्दमङ्गलं
मङ्गलं मङ्गलं दयानन्दमङ्गलम्
मङ्गलं मङ्गलम् आनन्दमङ्गलम्
मङ्गलं मङ्गलम् आनन्दमङ्गलम्
मङ्गलं मङ्गलं दयानन्दमङ्गलम्
मङ्गलं मङ्गलं दयानन्दमङ्गलम्
दयानन्दमङ्गलं
दयानन्दमङ्गलम्. Good, nice. Tomorrow we'll have class 7:15 to 8:15. And Ayushi, we have this picture of Dattatreya. I will send it to you, please. Tomorrow you can show it. How many of you have seen Dattatreya's picture? How many of you have not seen? Dattatreya, you have never seen the picture, not film, movie, picture of Dattatreya? Okay, okay. So we'll show it, yeah. I will send it to you, so you can see. Tomorrow morning we'll show it, yeah. I forgot to send today. And tomorrow, 7:15 to 8:15 class, and then 10:15 to 10:30 we'll do small puja in Guru Tirtha. We call it Anugna Puja. Anugna Puja means the worship for receiving the blessings of Pujya Swamiji for doing the program. That's what we generally do. Any program we conduct, big program, we take is as a permission. Anugna literally means permission. And permission in the form of blessings. So for us, he is still there, and like any house, when they do any function, we always go to the elders and say we are doing this function. So that puja we generally do when any big program is there. So it is a small puja. So we will do that puja, and then we bring some puja material from there and we'll take a round and we'll bring that puja material here little bit symbolically. And then 10:30 to 12:30 will be the puja. Do we need any break or we can continue doing it? So 10:30 to 11:30 will be puja, and 11:30 or 11:40 to 12:30 one talk. We are going to show one video about Pujya Swamiji's devotion to his Guru. So small video of 20 minutes. And Sudipta ji, you can give it to her, that link. Did you get the link? Huh? You have not seen? Okay, I will send it to you. So we'll show that. So how Pujya Swamiji used to look upon his gurus. Very inspiring. So some Swamini has made this video. We'll see it. And then I will give some small talk about Guru Purnima. One Swamini, Brahmalinananji, she will be giving a talk on Guru Purnima. And then 12:30, 12:40. So that program will be completed. Then you can offer your flowers. You can offer flowers to the altar. And then you receive prasada and then proceed for this dining hall. That is how the program would be. And with that, the Guru Purnima Puja, this retreat is completed. Then we are going back to our course mode. So again 1 year course will start from tomorrow. They must have forgotten, but again... So again we will Kaivalya Upanishad, we will start. So we have to change the gear. So now the gear is different. So we'll do it tomorrow, and tomorrow so many shlokas are remaining. So we'll complete, there is no problem. So don't worry about it, how Swamiji will complete all shlokas. That don't worry, I have done it several times. So this in 1 hour we can have 10-15 runs, no problem. So we have done it. So you don't worry on my behalf, that will be done. And yes, that's it. So tomorrow we will meet morning 7:15. Okay, so today you have got little too much, whole day you had a class. And also we don't have any questions. I have nothing to say. Oh, I felt like asking questions, but I think that generally that's what I do. If you don't ask question, I will ask question. But anyway, so you are, anyway, be relaxed here. Only frontliner will be asked, so they will be, don't worry. So we'll conclude today. Anything? Anybody? Announcement, huh? Yeah, our Sudipta ji will make announcement. Anybody has any question now? Anybody regarding tomorrow's program? Any question? Same. Yes. Any other question? Anybody regarding anything? Before he makes announcements, yeah.
So the schedule, I hope, is clear to everybody. Now, after the 8:30 after the morning class is completed at 8:30, the students, means everybody, not only students, everybody right now who is sitting on the floor can take their desks and keep it outside. We have to remove the mats also, because after the morning class, the staff will come and arrange the chairs for the program. And everybody who has kept their some belongings on the chair, they can also take it out. For the students especially, those who have kept it, they can take it out. The planks, those who are using can keep it on the side, every plank. So that the chairs, you can keep it as it is, but take everything out from the chair, and this entire desks and everything will take it out, mats also. So they will do the arrangement. So before, like around 8:30, they are going to come and they will do all the arrangements. So before 8:30, we can completely systemize the process and keep everything on the side and move. Then from 9 to 10:30, means 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., there will be preparations for the puja, and that will require certain volunteers. We expect, and we also hope that some of you would like to volunteer in this. The students also can join. Whoever can join, it is not compulsory, but it would be nice if you could join. Yes, there will be small things which will be here, and Swami Niyamas will be here. I will also try to be here as early as possible. Aarti ji also will be here, so we will be there, and we will be guiding what is to be done, how the puja is to be performed. And also not only the volunteers for here, but also the volunteers for the Guru Tirtha Puja at 10:15. So that Srinivasan ji is going to take care. So Srinivasan ji will also need somebody for help. So those things will be done by us. Then tomorrow we are expecting more than 400 people for the lunch. I mean, not only for the lunch, for the puja and then the lunch. And during the lunch, we hope that we will receive more volunteers. Because there will be two counters tomorrow. In general, common counter itself. One which is right now what is there inside the main dining hall. And another counter will be kept in the new dining hall. So for that we will need more volunteers, and those who want to serve can talk to Karthik ji. Karthik ji is here. He is taking the names still. So for the lunch, if we can get more volunteers, it will be very useful. And I would also like to know one thing. I would like to know how many of the guests are planning to come for the 4:30 Kaivalya Upanishad class in the lecture hall. If they can raise their hands. How many of the guests? 4:30 p.m. Tomorrow, 4:30 p.m. This program gets over at 12:30, and after that 4:30 Kaivalya Upanishad, the course class will be there. So how many of you are planning to come? Because we need to keep that many chairs here. Okay, yeah, I got the number. Yes, 16 are there, we'll keep around 20, still 2-3 more. Yeah. Yes. And after the program is completed, we will go for the lunch, and then the management will come and clean everything. In this entire lecture hall, they are going to take the chairs out and everything will be there. So what will happen is that everything will be cleared up. There will be nothing inside the lecture hall when we are coming for the 4:30 class. So the students, they know that when they should come, and they can arrange in their particular places. But if some of the students can come a little early, then we can arrange the guest chairs also and some of the teachers' chairs also. So that will be useful. Yes, ma. So 5:30, ma. Yeah, 4:30 to 5:30.
Includes puja. I will conclude the class 5:15. So 15 minutes will keep it.
So the class will be 4:30 to 5:15, and after that there is a Guru Pada Puja that will be for the 15 minutes. So the entire thing will be 4:30 to 5:30. Yes, Amija.
The chairs will be oriented to the altar, so it will be opposite. So here so many chairs will be here, and those who want to sit on the floor. Sudipta ji, we have any provision?
We will be keeping the mat in the front over here.
At that side? No.
That side we will keep. This side Swami Niyamas and all that. So this side front will keep the mat. Here also we will keep the mat.
Yeah. So those who are fond of sitting on the floor, I don't know who are, but there are some people fond of sitting on the floor, they can sit. Otherwise chairs will be there, and it will be oriented to the Shankaracharya altar. Yes. And so we will not keep any break, but in between somebody wants to go and take tea, etc., it is allowed. So not a problem. But make sure that we don't disturb others. Yeah. That as today we talked about that, always being in harmony with totality, parat patam. So that we will try to follow. But so 10:30 to 12:30 is 2 hours, so some people are not used to sit, so they can go in between and come back. So tea break will not keep, will continue our program. Is it all right? Okay? Yes. Okay, it was good. That's nice. So today we have got 20 minutes extra. So 20 minute, so early conclusion. Huh? Discount, yeah. We are in discount mode. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्याय्येन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु काले वर्षतु पर्जन्यः पृथिवी सस्यशालिनी देशोऽयं क्षोभरहितः ब्राह्मणाः सन्तु निर्भयाः ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतङ्गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय अवशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ